Welcome to the first part of doing Survey123, and that's either downloading a brand new Survey123 software, or you might have an old version of Survey123, and now you need to update your survey. So come over here to Downloads. It's going to put you exactly where you need to go. Come over here, and what we're going to do is this is the Field app. Download it for Microsoft and say Download, and then come back. Survey123 Connect. Connect is where you're going to design everything, and download that one. You'll notice that both of your downloads are here, and these are the exe files. And then you have to click on these, and that's going to install the software. Access precise locations. This is good to just turn on because most of the time my Survey123 thinks that I'm in Redlands. And once this opens, you can come out here to your thumbnail because once it's open, it's going to be out here on your system tray. I would right mouse click this one and hit Pin to Taskbar. That means it's always going to show up down here. You can move that if you have a place you want it to go. For example, I might want it next to my ArcGIS Pro. And this is the one with the pencil. Do you see the little black pencil down here? So let's go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and open up this Survey123 installer, and that's for the Field app. So double click. Say yes. Your design folder should not be inside the program file. If you let Survey123 do its thing, your design folder should be in Users, your name, ArcGIS, and then the My Surveys designs. If you are afraid that you're going to overwrite something, come into this folder, right mouse click, and compress everything to a zip file. And then put it on your desktop for just a few minutes, just in case. And then at least you'll have a backup. But for the most part, you shouldn't have any trouble. And again, as this shows up, now you can come down here to the bottom and right mouse click and Pin to Taskbar. And then I'm going to scoot this one over because I'm always going to use the one with the pencil. I put that one first, and then the Field Data Collection app, I put right next to it. Now, I like to have a shortcut on my desktop. It's not normally on this screen, but I wanted to show it to you. And what it does is it allows me to jump in here to the folder so that I can get in here, and I'm usually going into like date modified and whatever my last one was. So I can get in here and I can maybe go into media and drop some images in there. So what I do is I like to put this on the desktop, and it's right here. So what I want you to do is I want you to go find it. Most of the time, your survey design folder is going to be in Users, Your Name, ArcGIS, and My Survey Design. And then once you get in there, I'm going to go back. And then what I do is I grab my survey designs and I right mouse click it and drag it all the way out. And then when you release it, it'll say create a shortcut. That's how I get mine to show up. And I use that all day long. So if you're going to do Survey123, you might want to do that too. While we're here, let me show you the folder structure. So you're going to see a media folder, and you're going to see all the files that Esri creates for you. The most important one is this one here. This is the XLS form. This is how you build Survey123. This is how we tell the computer what this is going to look like. Now, if I actually open up that file, I like to squeeze mine so that you can see exactly what's going on here. Now, there's a lot that goes on in Survey123, and you could get your Survey123 to look like this. This is one of my most complicated surveys, so you'll notice that we're opening that up when we have a certain number of members come in. But for now, just know that it's here, and anything with a different color is a repeat. And that is a relationship between the parent and the child. This is another repeat. And I think we have a few more. We do. And a repeat, it's just that relational database. And then there's a nested repeat right here. So we have a lot going on here, and I'm really excited to share that with you when you are ready. Just know that Survey123 is not difficult. There are just a lot of things you have to know. And I always tell people, if your boss comes to you and says, hey, can you make a Survey123 for me? Ask them what they expect the deliverable to look like, what they need you to print out on the back end, or if there is a dashboard, those types of things, because if they can give you that information, you know how to build your Survey123. You might not know it now, but you will know it in the future, because I'm going to teach you the mindset behind everything that we do. It's not just building out questions. It's the workflow that goes with this. If you're an intern and you are creating this data, just know that most likely management doesn't know how to do Survey123, so they want you to figure it out. And that's a lot of pressure on you, because this is cornerstone data. A lot of interns come to me and they say, hey, Michelle, I really don't know what I'm doing. I just need to figure this out. And then as we get working with them, they don't even have ArcGIS Pro. They don't have a creator license. They are never able to publish. So we need to help them work through all of that. So going forward, I am here for you. And each month for free, I'm going to do a Q&A especially for you. And if you have harder questions, I'm going to let you know that that's a Jedi question. I'm going to invite you into our paid program, which is weekly coaching calls for $100 a month. I hope everybody enjoyed this. I'll see you on the other side.